This is a complete piston of the engine I'm working on. This right here, the top of the piston is the crown. You can see the crown, and it's spelled just like the crown of a king, and I think it deserves that. It deserves that name because of the type of pressure that happens on top of this crown you see here. You can see it's darkened on the head, and you can see the depth, the hole inside. Not all piston comes with this hole, but this hole right here on the crown makes a lot of sense because it actually adds to uh, how much this piston can actually compress airflow pressure in that combustion chamber to actually give it much power to actually push this piston down mechanically, because it's a reaction in there and it's a heavy blow, about 12,000 to 13 or 14,000 psi of force that happens down there, and it really gives it that super name, the crown of the piston. And so here is the groove for the compression ring, the two compression ring and the oil ring right here. And this piston still look pretty good, but I'm not gonna use it again because right at this top you can see brushes, and so I think that's going to give it a slack, and it will not be good enough for the pressure that's required. And this here is the piston pin. You can see it locks this cast here together, so this connecting rod, this piston pin puts the two of them together, and you can see that I can move this connecting rod easily. And so this movement here helps the crankshafts make the rotational motion, and this is where the crankshaft is locked. This place here, the crankshaft is locked into this space here, and this is the metal cap. And I think that's all I want to say about this.